Hey, come closer, guys, come closer. How are you doing, everyone? I have brought something amazing for you. Have you ever noticed that some people tell you that don't speak in this way, otherwise you may attract that. Sometimes you think that why this person is speaking like that. If that would have happened, I have many times spoken some weird words, but that I have not attracted in my life. So what is the science behind it, that sometime what you say work in your life, but sometime even you say negative or positive, that does not happen in your life. What is the exactly meaning behind it? What is the science behind it? I have brought that for you. So hit the link below for the upcoming webinar if you wish to know the expanded view on this. That's number one. Number two, watch this movie. Yeah, this is going to be movie, because this is going to be mind blowing, guys. This is not for 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes of recording. This is going to be super value addition for you. So that's why you may sit up with popcorn even for 30 minutes. Okay, so having said that, watch this video till the end. Hit the bell icon, subscribe to this channel, because whenever I am going to come live, I am going to offer you with lot many value, free value through these videos, and this is going to add some lot of shift in your thinking and your life. Are you excited enough? So watch till the end and hit the like, and I'll be telling you something amazing at the end of this video which your mind may not even think of. So bingo, get in. Anyone can do. Laugh and refuel yourself with this discipline from this. This is about mantra and affirmations. Everyone in special religion, few people practice chanting mantra, few people read, and few do prayers. And few people who follow certain practices and religion and rituals, they do practice this mantrocharan, reading ayate and doing prayers. But people who are scaling themselves towards self-development world, affirmation becomes very interesting part, and they start practicing affirmations. So affirmation kya hai? What is affirmation and what is mantra? Simple thing is that people in self development world, when they are understanding what they want to attract in their life and they want to become in their life, they give certain phrases to their mindset to follow that. Okay, and with this belief and with this faith that this is going to come, they treat it as affirmation. Few people call it auto-suggestion, few people call it self-talk. And it has got really tremendous impact on the mindset and on thoughts and human brain. Okay, so while I am stating you that, listen to this very carefully, that few people say that mantra to hamare जीवन में काम करता नहीं है, it does not bring the effect. Even few people say that कि affirmation हमारे जीवन में काम नहीं करता है, it does not bring the effect in their life. And you know what, the science behind both of the statement is one, and the science is about understanding. If the person who is chanting a mantra, okay, and he or she understands that what he is uttering, he tries to, he attempts, he puts an attempt to attract that situation in their life for what he wants to become, do, or be. This is as simple as that. But at certain time, what happens exactly? People identify that exactly affirmations are not working or mantra are not working. So what's the reason behind it? What's the reason behind it? For them, what is this? So mantra is the similar thing that people are given as a base first, that if you want to attract something in your life, you should chant this mantra or perform these prayers and or read ayatein. Okay. But people who have got the exposure in self-development world, they simply drops it and start talking about what exactly happens. यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी चीज क्या होती है, हम एक वियर्ड से एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझेंगे. वियर्ड सा एग्जाम्पल क्यों कहा? क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर करके आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सपोज यू समथिंग. ओके, so let me give you this example. So what is affirmation and what is the purpose of mantra? Mantra और affirmation के पीछे का गोल क्या होता है? एक ऐसी चीज को अपनी लाइफ में लाना जो इस वक्त आपके पास में मौजूद नहीं है. ओके, एंड उसमें एक छोटी सी चीज क्या होती है? वो चीज होती है 3 लेयर्स. ओके, उस 3 लेयर्स को लोग समझ नहीं पाते. वो 3 लेयर्स किस तरीके से काम करती है, मैं आपके सामने एक ऑब्जेक्ट लेकर आ रहा हूं. इसे देखकर हो सकता है आपकी हंसी निकल जाए, लेकिन बिल्कुल ये अफर्मेशन या मंत्र आपके जीवन में बिल्कुल इस तरीके से काम करता है. इसे कहा जाता है अनियन, यानी प्याज. ओके, ये जो अफर्मेशन या मंत्र है, ये किस तरीके से काम करता है? इसके 3 लेयर्स होते हैं. पहला लेयर होता है इनपुट. ओके, ये होता है इनपुट. और दूसरा लेयर होता है आउटपुट. दूसरा लेयर होता है प्रोसेस. और थर्ड लेयर होता है आउटपुट. इस तरीके से 3 लेयर्स में विभाजित होता है आपका मैनिफेस्टेशन, जिसे मंत्रों के जरिए या फिर अफर्मेशंस के जरिए आप अपने लाइफ में अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. ओके, अब ये जो लेयर 1 है, वो क्या चाहता है? वो ये चाहता है कि मैं अनियन बनूं, मैं प्याज बनूं. ठीक है, अभी ये जो प्रोसेस है, जो बीच का लेयर है, वो क्या चाहता है? वो ये चाहता है लेट्स फॉर्म एन अनियन. एंड जो लास्ट का जो मेन बीज होता है, उसे तो पहले से पता होता है कि ये ऑलरेडी अनियन है, ये प्याज है. तो इसे और डिटेल में समझते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली मैं सिंप्लीफाई करते हुए बताना क्या चाहता हूं. उसके लिए मैं क्या करने वाला हूं, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माय स्क्रीन. ओके, सो अगर आप मेरा स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हैं और आप मुझसे कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं, तो आप चाहें तो चैट विंडो में आप डाल सकते हैं आई एम विद यू, और फिर मैं उसे आगे लेके चल रहा हूं. ये बिल्कुल साधारण सी बात है, बट जिस तरीके से मैं इसे सिंप्लीफाई करने जा रहा हूं आप लोगों के लिए, वो शायद आप समझ पाए. ओके, सो मैं यहाँ पे मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर कर पा रहा हूं. ये देखिए, इसे ढंग से मैं आपके सामने ला रहा हूं. ये है अफर्मेशन विल नेवर वर्क विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अंडरस्टैंडिंग है पहला एलिमेंट इसका. ओके, सेकेंड है गोल. ओके, गोल क्या है? जो एग्जैक्टली आप अपनी लाइफ में लाना चाहते हैं. ओके, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू अट्रैक्ट इन योर लाइफ. ऑल राइट, so what you want to attract, say for example I took the example of onion. So what this onion says, as I said that it has got 3 layers. Okay, it has got 3 layers. So here you go, the layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3. What does it represent to? So thank you TRS, thank you Praveen, thank you, I'm loving your input guys. So layer 1, as I said, is output, the outer layer of onion. Okay, this is the goal given to every individual who wants to be someone or attract someone or want to create something in their life. Say for example, यदि किसी ने बिलियनर बनना है, मिलियनर बनना है और एक अच्छा रिलेशनशिप अपनी लाइफ में उन्हें लाना है. ओके, सो उनका गोल रहता है, they have got some goal, but what happens exactly over here in the output? Say here, if I am taking the example of onion, it will say I want to be an onion. Means kitna ridiculous hai ye. Onion is already onion, but he has been given a goal to become onion. Say for example, in certain field, if people are performing sales, okay, उन्हें एक टारगेट दिया जाता है, एक गोल दिया जाता है और बताया जाता है कि उन्हें इतने का टारगेट अचीव कर लेना है. ओके, एंड दे रन बिहाइंड देयर गोल. Okay, I have to do this, do this, do this. So they want to attract the outer layer of the onion. Having said that, let's go back to layer number 2. What is this layer number 2? Is process. So in this process, what this layer number 2 of onion says, that let's form onion. Okay, so for example the middle layer I am bringing it out. Okay, मैंने इसका एक middle layer लेकर आया, and without understanding this middle layer which is as process will say let's form onion. Okay, and in the similar manner क्या होगा कि जब आप सेल्स वर्ल्ड में है, दिस इज एग्जांपल अगेन द रेफरेंस पॉइंट, जब आपने कुछ सेल्स टारगेट को अचीव करनी है तो उन्हें कहा जाएगा लेट्स डू दिस कोल्ड कॉल, लेट्स डू ईमेल ब्लास्ट, लेट्स डू समथिंग, वेरियस थिंग व्हिच विल मैनिफेस्ट द वंडरफुल सेल्स in our for our product or services. Okay, so with this mindset people carry on their work and they will continue doing this process part. Okay, so here what exactly happens now, the mind blowing part is going to come. Mind blowing part is going to come. Okay guys, so listen carefully. This is input. जो अनियन का जो लास्ट लेयर है, इट नोज ऑलरेडी that I am already an onion. Okay, I don't have to do anything. The seed knew already that it was onion. Okay, it did not have to perform anything to bring its outer layer, its output. So all the focus was where it was inside. Okay, not at the outer layer. And from there when it drives all the show, what happens exactly? As I said, seed knew it was onion only. उसे अलग से बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि तुम इन चीजों को, मीन्स कहने का मतलब, अगर आप, अब ये थोड़ा कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी लग सकता है कि यदि आप सेल्स में कुछ नंबर्स को आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं और इसे अनियन के एग्जांपल से समझा जाए, तो क्या आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि यस टीआरएस, दैट्स गुड. So, क्या आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि मैंने ऑलरेडी ये अचीव किया है? नाउ लेट्स मैक्सिमाइज दिस. ओके, लेट्स मैक्सिमाइज दिस थर्ड लेयर, उसे और भी फ्रैक्शनाइज करते हैं एंड वी विल अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स कम बैक टू अनदर पर्सन. सो से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई पर्सन जो चेन स्मोकर है एंड ही वांट्स टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस हैबिट ऑफ स्मोकिंग. Okay, and what he says at first he says that I don't smoke anymore, but in his mind he is giving this message that I used to smoke, or if given opportunity I may smoke. Okay, but the person who comes with the clarity and he wants to become a non-smoker person, what he can do, he is going to declare like this: I am not a smoker but a disciplined and inspiring icon of the society. Now understand it in detail. I'll just fraction it more. Okay, I am not a smoker but a disciplined and inspiring icon of the society whose presence will lead in banning cigarette. Okay, अब यहां पे क्लैरिटी कैसी है? See, the thing is what you say or what you do in private, that defines who you are in public. Let me repeat this. What do you do in private defines who are you in the public. Are you able to resonate with me? If you are understanding this, अगर आपको ये बातें समझ में आ रही है, just give a thumbs up, just give me a like or love or something. Let me understand that if I am able to connect with you guys. Okay, so this is very, very, very serious, okay, and very crucial part. This is just an example, guys, just an example. Okay, the example says this, that I'm not a smoker but a disciplined and inspiring icon of the society whose presence will lead in banning the cigarette. इतना कहने के बाद ही what is going to happen? Let me bring that. So what you uttered this time, the process will auto start. Okay, अब आपको अलग से कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The process has started because the seed inside that man knew already that he is non-smoker now. और जब वो इस तरह के वर्ड्स, सेट ऑफ वर्ड्स वो बोलता है with that faith that I am a non-smoker and an icon of this society, and he attaches some mission with that, okay, it happens by default in his life as he become. So this is a small example for people becoming non-smoker. Okay, the process will auto start the moment he will affirm this. Okay, so if you will keep on saying that I'm non-smoker, I'm non-smoker, I'm non-smoker, और suppose for example अगर संस्कृत में मंत्रोच्चारण दे दिया गया और वो कुछ इस तरह का मंत्रोच्चारण कर रहा है जो उसकी हैबिट पे डायरेक्ट हिट करने वाला है, और without understanding he is going to miss and he will complain this does not work. In the similar manner, in affirmation world, this happens when he keeps on uttering these statements that I'm non-smoker, non-smoker, non-smoker. This is not going to work until unless he makes him realize in this manner that I am not a smoker but a disciplined and an inspiring icon of the society whose presence will lead in banning cigarette, and he holds the responsibility on himself that he will not only ban this cigarette from his life but he will be medium to ban the cigarette from entire world who is harming the society, what is harming to the society. So that's number one. Okay, and the moment he will utter that, the process will auto start and the system gets formed. Okay, and it will reflect the output. The moment he comes with this realization, you will start noticing that this individual has quit his smoking long back. That's the example number one. Okay, that's example number one. Number two, if someone says that, okay, I'm not fat, I'm not fat, I'm not fat, or just says I'm thin, thin, thin. Okay, so what is going to happen? His mind will not believe this because in private, if he keeps on eating the junk food, okay, वो तली हुई चीजें खा ही रहा है, लेकिन वो बाहर से क्या कह रहा है, आई एम थिन, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम थिन, आई एम नॉट फैट. बट इन रियलिटी वॉट यू डू इज हु यू आर. Good or good? Just hit a thumbs up if you like this. In reality, what you do is what you are. When you affirm about the certain thing and you don't do the things in parallel to it, which is favoring this statement, you are not that. Let me repeat that. The things, the activity, if you are doing in private and it's not resulting your desire, you are not that. So for this example, with this example, we will explore it further. Okay. So when people say this, I'm not fat, but I'm skinny athlete. Okay. Now this guy has not only saying that I am not fat, but he has added something. Okay. He says that I'm not fat, but I am skinny athlete icon whose presence will ban the input of obesity in the society. Oh my God. अब ये पर्सन क्या कह रहा है कि मैं एक ऐसा आइकन हूं, एक एथलीट आइकन हूं, जो जिसकी उपस्थिति whose presence will ban the input of obesity in the society. मतलब obesity को जनरेट करने के लिए जो भी causes हैं उन सबको बैन करने के लिए मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन हूं, जो कि एक एथलीट एंड स्किनी आइकॉन है. The moment he takes the responsibility unknowingly, what is going to happen? His focus will shift on banning this particular thing because he is just breaking the back bridge. He's not opening the holes, right? He's not opening the doors that from other way the demon may attack him. The problem or this what do you call? The problem or monster can be killed when it is small. And the moment you are given this kind of responsibility by yourself, you go on autopilot mode. And what is going to happen? Listen to here very closely. Yeah, yes, TRS, very right. This is going to exactly happen in this way. First, he will stop eating junk food and he will start working on himself, on his body. because he has just now uttered this. So mere affirmation is not everything. And that is why all the time and in general, people fail to attract what they affirm. जनरली लोग मंत्रोच्चारण के जरिए भी अपने जीवन में वो चीजें आकर्षित नहीं कर पाते हैं। पहले तो वहां समझ नहीं होती है, और दूसरा, मंत्रोच्चारण के बावजूद वो कुछ ऐसी चीजें करते हैं जो आउटपुट के जस्ट अगेंस्ट होती है। Okay, so what I remember, what kind of mantra you chant. This is a trend now. This is a trend now in India, that every single person is fascinated by Shiv Tandav Stotra. Okay, he keeps on chanting Jata Kata Sambaram Brahmam Nirjari Vilola Lavi Chivallari Virajman Murdhani Dhagga Dhagga Dhag. So Ravana has said this. Ravana has chanted this mantra for Shiva. But what kind of body from he was operating? This Ravana comes with this tamasic pravritti, okay? But at the same time, Rama also created certain stotra for Shiva. And when you will listen to that, those words are also polite. So when you are talking about becoming an obedient student, okay, and the moment you go away from your master, you start speaking ill about your master. That time, you know, and your inner world know that exactly you are not obedient. So again, I'm repeating this, that what you do in private defines who are you in public. What do you do in alone when you are alone? Exactly who you are when you are in public. Okay, so it's not only about what do you want to attract in your life. Okay, so what you want to attract in your life, but you are doing something in reciprocal, that is not going to serve. So this message is for those who keeps on complaining that affirmation don't work in their life. And you see here, I'm not fat, but I'm skinny athlete icon. Those presents will ban the input of obesity in the society, and the process will auto start. Now let's take a deep dive. Now let's talk about those with billionaire mindset, business mindset, or millionaire mindset. Okay, so what is going to happen? This guy, a guy has got the habit of borrow some money from his friends, his relatives, or his loved one. Okay, so he has developed this habit. The moment he realizes that affirmation will work for him to become rich, okay, and he will start. Thank you, Kushbu. Thank you so much. What he will start practicing the affirmation. Okay, and he will say that I'm rich. That's super fine. But his habit of borrowing money has not been broken. Okay, now he comes up with this. What is in front of your screen? He says that I'm not a borrower, but creator. I'm not a borrower, but a giver. I'm not a borrower, but a generator icon whose presence will ban the habit of borrowing in individual and society, because these elements for individual, society, even for enterprise, will create what is the need. Okay, now understand this. So what he started telling to himself, that I'm such a rich person who breaks the law of borrowing, not only from the individual, but also from society and also from the enterprise, but instead shifted with the creation of the need, be it money, be it food, and be it employment. The moment he owns this decision, what is going to happen? At very first stage, the bad habit will get eliminated from his life. Yes, you are true. Abundance mindset, TRS. That's correct. So what is going to happen over here? He was a borrower. he realizes that affirmation or mantra works in his life when he will start chanting or when he start affirming, the result will be there. But if he does not break the pattern or break the habit of asking or borrowing the money, he's not going to become, because his subconscious mind is knowing and his RAS is filtering out. Okay, I will not talk about RAS in detail, but his mind is filtering out that what exactly he is doing and what exactly he wants to become. So it is totally into reciprocal, right? This is totally into reciprocal, that he is announcing that he wants to become rich, but he continues the habit to borrow the money. Rich does not borrow. The riches are giver. Riches are giver, right? They give, they believe in giving. So he has to also become a giver. So he could say that I'm a rich who believes in giving and creates certain law that when you pass through my radius or my aura, you are gifted with some amazing gifts or the, see, I remember here one of my mentors said about Raja Janaka. So I'm not going to talk about that, but now understand this. Now understand this. So what exactly happens over here? He wants to become rich. He wants to inculcate and develop the habit of, as TRS said, abundance mindset. Okay. So what he does, he hits back or he cuts the habit of borrowing, and rather than saying that I am only rich or I am just not a borrower, what he starts stating further, that I am not a borrower but creator, giver and generator icon whose presence will ban the habit of borrowing in individual and in society, because these elements, these elements will create what is needed for individuals, society and for enterprise. And from there a richer appears, a rich person appears. From there an organization appears. From there a trust gets formed, a charitable trust may get formed. So be it for any cause, be it for food, money, or employment. This is how this fundamental thing works over here. Okay, now let me go further. So here again, what will happen? The process will auto start. Okay, and the process will auto start the moment I declare this. I start behaving likewise, right? So whenever you utter something that I am an author, you are going to do what? You are going to become authority further, and your every action will attract and derive the steps and task of being an author. The moment it will, the moment you realize that you are an author, you won't keep on lying inside the bed. You will jump up from there and you will get inside writing tasks. The moment you will realize that you are a meditator, you won't lie inside the bed, because your action will make you that. Okay, the moment you realize that I am a generous giver, you don't find that you are becoming miser, or you won't perform such activity which will let you become miser. So this was the such framework, small framework. This led by the example of an onion. Okay, this was led by an example of onion, and as I said, and that is why people keeps on complaining that affirmation will not work. Okay. So affirmation will not work, yes, without understanding. Mantra will not work in your life without understanding. And until unless you understand them, and you don't have to focus on the goal, like layer 1, 2, 3, that you don't have to focus on the output. You have to focus on input. Okay. Output is what you want to become, and input is what you are becoming already by using the set of words and by performing the action in private. Does it make some sense? Listeners, please let me know. Does it make some sense? If you want to understand in the detail, I have something for you. Okay, I have something for you, whoever are listening. People who will share this to 5 groups. Okay, the people who will share this live in the 5 groups, what they are going to get? They are going to get a special access to one of my tiny course. What you have to do, you have to just take the screenshot and you have to tell me. Okay, so this was a very simple formula why these affirmation don't work. I demonstrated it through the example of onion has got 3 layers. It has got input, output, and process. People generally focus on output. Okay, they forget about the process is about the becoming the one, and was what? Input was the being that one. Okay, and how you can tweak into your affirmation. Okay, why exactly affirmation did not work? Because till date you were just using half of the phrase. So people who will share it into at least 3 groups and send me in the messenger the screenshot that they have shared in 3 groups, they are going to win some amazing course, and that will be done by on the process of voting. Okay, and people who wants to learn more, what they can do, they can join my tomorrow's webinar. The link of webinar is webinar.withkumargaurav.co. I will repeat it. The webinar link is webinar.withkumargaurav.co. You tune in, you register for my tomorrow's webinar. I will take further deep dive and tell you what exactly happens, why you are conditioned and reap the same result again and again and again and again, and don't attract the desired result, and what is the system using that you can attract the desired result, and how long it may take maximum or minimum to get that result, and how that can be achieved. After revealing these all secrets, at the end I will be also talking about my product, which is a part of a system which can help every individual. So you can join into my free webinar tomorrow 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and I'll tell over there all the things in detail. This is not for my inner circle member, but this is for all the new people who really want to learn in detail and want to completely transform the trajectory of their life towards their health, wealth, relationship, business, or career. Because these are very simple tips and tricks and layers which you need to understand, yeah, and you will be able to do that. So winners, who will be winner? So whoever share this in at least 2 or 3 groups and share me the screenshot, I'm going to gift you amazing course which you may remember for rest of your life. Okay, cool or cool. I hope you enjoyed this, and hit some like, give me some love. I would love to see you all. Okay, I truly enjoyed serving you guys through my small limited knowledge, because I'm still on the journey of unlearning. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye, take care. I hope and believe that I have served.
Preview.